What happens when an AI can underwrite a massive corporate loan faster than human regulators can even read the paperwork? Does today's data change how Korean financial institutions deploy capital? And what does it mean for compliance and competitiveness? It's Monday, July 6th. Let's break down what's happening in Korea's financial sector.
Mm.
Both state policy banks and commercial financial groups are aggressively modernizing two massive legacy systems that has historically slowed capital deployment to strategic industries.
Right.
Eximbank channeled 1,547 trillion or 1.1 trillion US dollars to 18,000 client companies since 1976.
Wow.
Yeah, exactly. 18.67 billion US dollars represents Eximbank's current capital base, trailing severely behind China Eximbank's 56.24 billion US dollars and Japan GBIC's 21.71 billion US dollars when competing to write checks for global infrastructure deals.
Well, a clever 2003 strategic shift to biocredit financing
Mhm.
created a massive surge in ship financing volume, hitting 23 vessels in 2003 alone.
Oh,
Then, the terrifying 2008 financial crisis prompted the deployment of 25 billion US dollars in massive stabilization funds within mere months.
right.
And the sudden pandemic crisis extended 26.6 trillion won, or 19 billion US dollars, in immediate liquidity support overnight, keeping the market's heartbeat steady for analysts tracking the hashtag KOSPI index online.
But, vulnerable commercial banks lack 100% of the state-level liquidity muscle to absorb systemic shocks.
Exact.
So how do these unprotected commercial entities execute one internal modernization strategy using AI to protect their profit margins against emerging digital threats?
Well, Shinhan Financial Group gathered 300 top executives this month to completely overhaul operations amid the AI transition.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and Mirae Asset Life processed 478,444 digital pre-screening applications in Q1.
That's huge.
Like an astonishing eightfold volume increase highlights Mirae's explosive operational growth, originating from its 2024 launch to prove that AI underwriting is rapidly automating the high-speed compliance game.
As you look at the big picture, Exim Bank's capital gap clearly limits Korea's ability to aggressively fund large-scale infrastructure deals, directly impacting the long-term soundness and competitiveness of capital deployment. Furthermore, AI-driven internal transformations at Shinhan and Mirae Asset Life aim to protect margins, signaling a clear shift towards stricter profitability metrics. So if you're a foreign institution or regulator listening to this, the main takeaway points toward faster domestic capital deployment and tighter AI-driven compliance implications coming your way.
Absolutely.
That's today's AI PRISM Finance Daily. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI PRISM is a Juan Ifra award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.